Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we're taking a sneak peek at this 2007 Aston Martin Vantage. We just received this Vantage from Florida. We've put it through the shop and started the reconditioning process. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what it has in terms of options and just the beautiful, beautiful, timeless styling of this Aston Martin. This Aston Martin has about 12,000 in optional features. It is titanium silver on phantom gray, and it looks absolutely stunning. It is the sport shift, so it is an automatic. It has navigation, upgraded rims, HID headlights, memory front seats, and some additional creature comforts. Automatic climate control, this wonderful stitching, an umbrella holder in the trunk, it will be available shortly on our website, alphacars.com, where you'll find all the details, including an in-depth video as well, showcasing this special vehicle. In the meantime, if you have any questions about this Aston Martin or any other wonderful vehicle we have in our inventory, feel free, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web, alphacars.com, or feel free to stop in to one of our locations to talk to an associate in person. We look forward from hearing from you. Please do stay tuned as we finish up a round of videos on this wonderful, wonderful Aston Martin.